I get emotional because I just can't take it. Hi guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Yes, your girl just finished working out. After all that resting up over the weekend, resting up yesterday, I am back at it. I just ran a whopping 1 hour. Can't believe I ran a 1 hour, which is a good way to start my morning. I won't chit chat with you guys just yet too long because it's gonna be a busy day, a kind of sad day, but a busy day. I have so much to get done today, so let's continue this workout and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Hi guys, I haven't got a chance to speak to you guys all morning because I have been super busy. Today is just a busy day for me. I'm actually here trying to, oh my gosh, I have 15 minutes to eat this food, pick Tyler up from his nap because he's napping right now, get him ready, go downstairs and jump on a bus and go to town because today my baby's getting a shot. And every single time Tyler is to get a shot, I get emotional because I just can't take it. Is it just me or it happens to every mom? I honestly cannot take it. His pain, his cries, it just breaks my heart, and I just go from 0 to 100. I just get sad. I'm in totally protective mood and I just can't take it. So she's getting a shot today, but I don't know if it's the same everywhere else like in France, but when Tyler is getting a shot, we have to buy this patch at the pharmacy that we have to put on his, wherever he's getting the shot is like an anesthesia, I would assume, that numbs the area where he's gonna get the shot. But we didn't get the shot during last week, and it's the weekend. It was the weekend just passed, and we didn't get it Saturday because we totally forgot, and Sunday no, we're open to get it. So babe had to get it this morning at work. So what the plan is to go meet babe at work, put the patch on him because it's a 2 o'clock appointment, and he have to get the patch 1 hour before the shot. So I'm going to meet babe at work at 1 so Tyler can get his patch, so he'll be all right, or it won't be that bad when it's time for his shot at 2. But he's actually napping right now and I need to get going because if you guys know me by now, I am not a late person. So I need to eat. It's not even lunchtime, but I need to eat because I cannot go on the road hungry, and you all know me, and the road and the bus is not really friends. So I need to eat before I go on the road so I can assure myself that I'll be okay. So I'm just going to chow on this, and just for lunch I'm having just some lettuce and 2 pieces of jerk chicken that I jerked yesterday. So yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I woke up early this morning. I got my workout in because I know my day would be crazy, so I got my workout in. That's one of the reasons why I'm even back on time so much, because I had to work out this morning because I didn't work out Saturday and I didn't work out Sunday, so I had to get my workout in today. So I got my workout in. That was an accomplishment. On that note, the Jamaican expression for today is hush your mouth. Listen, Jamaican parents use this one a lot. Hush your mouth means to be quiet. So if you're in Jamaica or you're around Jamaicans and you hear someone say, Mel, hush your mouth, means you need to be quiet, you're talking too much. So right now I'm going to hush my mouth. I'm going to hush my mouth, eat my lunch real quick, go and pick up Tyler. He already have a bath, which is good, and then we'll catch you on our way to his appointment. Hi guys, if it's windy and you can't hear me, this is the reason. We're at the beach. I finally met up with Babe. The sun is in my eyes. Finally met up with Babe and got the patch for Tyler foot. So we just put the patch on and is exactly an hour away from. Thank you. It's exactly a 1 hour away before he's before he got his shot. So that's good. His patch is on. Thank you, baby. So he's here picking up stones and playing with stones. No, that one is huge. No, that one is heavy, Papa. Oh my God. Thank you. You're a strong boy. Rawr. Be careful and don't pick up dog poop. Thank you. You see, that's the beauty about living where we live. One bus takes me 5 minutes and I'm at this beautiful spot. Isn't that amazing? That's something I enjoy about moving here. I can't get enough beach, man. Can't get enough beach. I thought I was going to be late, so instead of meeting Babe at work, we just decided to meet up at the hospital. So the hospital is just behind me right here. This building that you're looking at behind me is the hospital. So at some minutes to 2 we just walk across the road and we're at the hospital. Thank you, baby. You haven't said hello from morning. You want to say hi? Papa, you want to say hi? Look. Look. Can I have this one? Oh, this one. It's almost summer. Mommy need to go in town and buy you your beach shoes. Right? Right, boo boo. And baby's here.
Hi guys. Yeah. They done at 1 p.m.
Somebody leave work early today, huh?
Oh, yeah.
And work, you believe in work early tomorrow?
Tomorrow afternoon is Mardi Gras, so the bunch is closed.
And you have to about it, huh? You're tanning? You're taking sun?
Yeah, just need the towel. So now we have to walk, always walk.
Oh, I have your sunglasses, my love.
Okay, that's okay.
Oh, you don't want it?
Yeah, I just feel
the sun? You don't want you to have the glasses and the sun mark around your face?
Yes, but I just want to feel the breeze.
Alright, you guys, we're just gonna hang out here on the beach and the weather is so good. It's feeling really, really beautiful outside. It's sunny. My little jacket is just getting the job done. We don't really need much jacket. It's starting to feel super, super, super good outside, you guys. Don't you guys just want to move here and live with us? Comment below and tell me if you guys don't want to live with us. Don't, babe? You want them to come live with us? All of our subscribers? Tyler would have a lot of playmates. Right, Tyler? Look at this beautiful view to die for. Look at my hair. Blowing in the wind. Okay? It's blowing in the wind. Tyler doctor's appointment went well, even though he cried. Tyler just hates the doctor. This little boy hates the doctor. He hates the doctor so much that after Tyler got his shot, he just give the doctor the side eye and say bye-bye and gone. Don't babe? He just give the doctor the side eye and say to look at the doctor and say bye-bye and he walked right out the doctor's office. He was that pissed and he hate the doctor that much. But all in all, baby's healthy, baby's good. He got his shot and he took it like a champ. He just cried for the moment and then that was it. That's my baby. Tough boy. Yeah, tough cookie. Tellabo. T-Bear. Hey, you're a tough cookie? Yes, mommy to leave you alone? Yeah, you get your shot so you're whiny? Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone. Oh my god. Have some attitude. Anyway, you guys, thank God, all in all, everything is good. Thank God baby's off for the rest of the day, right honey? He's not going back to work, so he's with me for the rest of the day. So we're using that opportunity to go on the road and get some stuff that we want to get done. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Make it a good one, and if it can't be good, be careful. Oh, baby's gonna give you guys the Jamaican expression, his take. The Jamaican expression today, babe, is hush your mouth.
Hush your mouth.
Say it again.
Hush your mouth.
Hush your mouth.
Hush your mouth.
Yeah, you know what that means?
Well, hush is like sorry. Your mouth is like you say something's bad, no?
No. Hush your mouth means to be quiet. So somebody in Jamaica say, girl, hush your mouth, means to shut up. To be quiet, you're chatting too much. So if I'm chatting too much, you can say, babe, hush your mouth. No, you're not do that.
I know.
I know you won't. Okay, so there you guys have it. Babe's take on the Jamaican expression for today. Say it again, baby, one more time.
Hush your mouth.
Yes, honey, yes. You get it? Make sure you get it. I just love this man so much. His Jamaican expressions are ridiculously funny, but I love him. Alright, you guys, there you have it. We're home, and of course I'm tired and want to sleep. And babe is getting his workout in, which is super, 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 super awesome. There he's right there running. Go chicken! He smiled though. Good job, baby. Super proud of you. You gonna get your workout in? Oh, let mommy see the O. Can I have O? O? Good boy. Go and put the O in. And Tyler is playing with his letters as usual, and I'm going to head in the kitchen right now and make some dinner. I'm not even sure what I'm cooking yet, but let's go see what's in there. For dinner, I've decided to make pureed pumpkin for Tyler, and I'm going to make some vegetable stir fry with shrimp for babe and I. So I'm actually currying the shrimp, and then I'm going to add mushrooms and sweet peppers and onions, and I already blanched some carrots and beans. I'm just gonna add some olive oil to this real quick, and then I'm gonna add all my seasonings in with my mushroom all at once. I'm just gonna add the shrimp to this. Now I'm going to add these carrots and beans that I already blanched into this. And dinner is ready.
Tire plus fort, Mickey. Il va s'enfuir. Quelle amusante partie de pêche avec un poisson au bout de l'hameçon. Ne fais pas la tête, Donald. L'endroit est superbe. Regarde, Donald.
Say bye-bye. Hey. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
À demain.
Oh, you guys. Tyler's off to bed. Alright, baby. Alright. Alright. You're making me blush. You guys, Tyler's off to bed. And I am going to finish editing right now. I have so much stuff to get done. But we're just going to... What?
No, I was just about to say that you're going to edit, I'm going to play.
Yes, he's gonna play game while I edit. So we're just gonna end the vlog here. We had a good day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog, and hopefully you guys have a good day, and hopefully you guys work out. Make sure you work out, make sure you stay motivated, make sure you go and catch up.
did.
Yes, babe did. I'm super proud
I
of
did.
him. So if babe did, so should you. Make sure you go and catch up on the Jamaican phrase for today. What was the Jamaican phrase for today? You remember?
Yeah,
What?
I do remember.
Say.
It's not about yeah, it's about
Hush your mouth.
your mouth. So when your wife's talking too much, you say hush your mouth, and then you're stuck to the TV.
Okay, I'm going to stop teaching all these Jamaican expressions. Alright, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.